All right, hello class, you folks that are doing the solve by substitution method. Here we have a system of equations with two variables. It's got a u and a v, and so we need to solve for those two variables using the method of substitution. So for substitution, the first step is just to isolate one of the variables. It doesn't matter which one you choose, but certain variables will be easier than others. In this case, it doesn't make much difference. I'm going to take the first equation and I'm going to try to isolate for u, which means I want u all by itself. So my first step would be 3u equals 4 subtract 11v. So I've just moved the 11v to the other side. And after that, divide both sides by u. So I have u equals 4 minus 11v all over 3. Okay, so that's the first step. I've isolated one of the variables in one of the equations. Well, now what I can do is take that value for u and put it in for this u in the second equation. Okay, so I'm going to change colors. Start off with that second equation. Let's see if I'll have room down here. I'll start over here. Negative 2. I'm going to put u here because that's the u belongs next, and then minus 5v equals 9. Okay, so the u, I'll write that in blue to keep it clear, is actually 4 minus 11v all over 3. And you can see what's just happened now is now what we have is one equation with only one variable. And so for that reason, we should be able to solve this and get an answer for what v is. Okay, so I will switch back to red and solve this thing. I can multiply negative 2 into the brackets. So that's going to be negative 8 plus 22v all over 3 minus 5v equals 9. And then just to make things simple, I'm going to multiply everything by 3. So that gives me negative 8 plus 22v minus 15v equals 27. Okay, almost there. 22v minus 15v. That gives me a grand total of 7v. And 27, I'm going to add 8 to 27, so that's 35. There we go. V, hope you guys can see this. V equals 5. There, we're halfway to our answer already. We figured out that V equals 5. Well, the other half of the answer is to figure out what u is, and we have a nice equation for u. It's right here in this box. So let's come back to this box and use that equation again. I will switch back to blue again. And so I'm just going to actually continue this. So we have here 4 minus 11. But now we know what v is. V is 5, which I'll write in red, like that. And then over 3. So what is that? 4 minus 55 all over 3. 4 minus 55, negative 51 and over 3. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that's negative 17. 30, yeah, I think that is. Okay, so there's our answer. We've got it. We've got v, we've got u. The answer is u equals negative 17 and v equals 5. Voila, substitution method works every time. Great. Okay, so now your job is to make sure you understand all of this, and then when your partner's ready, it's time for you to explain this method to your partner. Good luck.